Lithuania and Slovenia are at two different borders of Europe, but still we are close together. Me very literally, because in my office in Brussels, Commissioner Marta Kos is my neighbor, right next to me on the same floor. Lithuania and Slovenia are both countries by the sea, under 3 million people. We declared independence, joined NATO and the European Union at the same time, transformed our countries into prosperous democracies. And now we are both determined to defend our way of life. Slovenia has great defense technology, supported by the European Defense Fund. And lots of your research and development is dual use by design, with projects on ultralight aircraft, satellite avionics, underwater acoustics, and more. And at this conference, you understand, defense readiness is not only about soldiers and armies, but also about food and finance, about transport and technology. Dual use allows society to benefit from defense investment and allows rapid response in time of need. Without dual use, there is no defense readiness. So I thank you for your important work and wish you a very successful conference.